Hello, welcome back. How are you? I hope you are happy and healthy wherever you are in the world. Welcome back. Last time I was showing you how I create a YouTube video, how I upload it. And now I will continue showing you. This video will get titled how I actually, this is the last YouTube video upload. Unlocking eBay Success, my journey and strategies revealed with ChatGPT's assistant, which I would add the word subscribers, then, a little bit of different description how I built my YouTube base, YouTube subscribers base quickly. You can do it too. And I've just come up with a plan. If you double it every month, I'm at 159 subscribers right now. It's there on the left. And if I build it, if I make 3 uploads a day, that's 45 minutes times 2. That's an hour and 13 minutes work daily. So anyone can do it. 15-minute work blocks. Okay. And I will double it then 318 by 318 subscribers by end of July. 636 subscribers by end of August, then we'll double it to 1272 by end of September, 2344 by the end of October, 4688 by the end of November, and 9376 subscribers, or we'll hit 10,000 by December, by end of December. It's 15-minute videos, like 15-minute work blocks, 15-minute uploads 3 times a day. Enough to take it to that high? Let me know in the comments, and please like and subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet, to help me achieve this goal of 10,000 subscribers by year end. Okay. And my last YouTube upload that has been recorded yesterday, I was telling you about how I list an item on eBay, and this item is there live. So I was promoting this item, and in my last upload, that is not live on the video, just on YouTube just yet, I went to the group, and I was able. I'm looking for a link, for a place where I can share this YouTube video link and on the Facebook. So this video is about how you create, build your subscriber base up to 1,000 subscribers in 6 months. By showing what you are doing. And in my case, this is actually listing items on eBay UK market. Some cheap things that I buy from retailers, from suppliers like Shane, where the prices are. You can see I have paid £1.93 for this toilet brush, which I have listed on my eBay account. That I'm showing also you how, in the process I'm showing you how you can actually build your eBay account up to 1,000 positive feedback score received on the account. So let's get some work done. 3 minutes 31 seconds in this video, guys. I'll continue now. So the upload has been made. Now I was able to find another group where I was only able to post my eBay listing, title and link to the eBay auction, and I typed in eBay in the search window on Facebook, and I'm checking one by one. Where I can share my latest YouTube creation. So I can see various content here. Probably my link could get accepted here, and I will not get kicked out possibly. Okay, so someone asking any magical tips to get more sales on eBay store. So I think need sourcing or dropshipping to eBay, different kinds of posts. So my content will be quite valuable, I think, on this particular group. So what I need to do is to copy my eBay sellers promote, eBay buyers shop find this group, click on Facebook, go to share in the groups, eBay sellers promote eBay buyers. So we'll wait until this will pop up there on the top, you know where to share it, and we'll pick from the drop down list share in the group. Then I'll ideally, you know, we'll be able to copy this, it will be much quicker, and I can actually do it. So you know, I will know that I will find for 100% the right group. Ideally I will compare it with the picture showing up there as well, but if it's not coming up, then that's fine. Now I'm going to copy my YouTube video title. That's my last upload. It's live on YouTube now. And that's my YouTube video title, and now I'm going to copy a link to my video, to my YouTube video, and add it to this post as well. And then I'm going to copy the whole thing, so I'll have it ready to post in the next Facebook group when I get there. Okay, so this video is playing there. That's my latest upload, where I'm talking about, you know, how to create eBay listing, and you know, I'm adding a little bit of value to people that are asking in this group now about, you know, how to help your eBay business and things like that. So people are coming here and reading and need some help a little bit, you know, how to build proper auctions, how to promote your YouTube, your eBay auction, you know, after you have made your listing. And now I'm able to share this to this group. And I'll click right down there, post to Facebook. So this has been copied. Now I'll post to Facebook, and I'm going to find another group where I can promote my eBay listing. So the video I'm recording for you right now is going to be how to promote your eBay listing. That's the title I'm going to add, how to promote your eBay listing on Facebook. So that's my post, should have come into this group now, and I'm going to look for another one now. I'll just take them one by one, go from the top usually, you know, one by one. So eBay selling, I'm not too sure whether I have used it or not. I'll go into it, I think, and we'll check it. eBay selling. Eight minutes 3 seconds in this video. So this is the same situation. That's how you can promote your eBay item, yes? Copy the link of your item. You can copy the title of your eBay item. Then find this group, you know, you come up to this group. I'm actually sharing my YouTube video, so this is not the right place to share my YouTube video, because I will get kicked out, because in this group people are allowed only to post the name of their item and the link to their eBay item. That's how you promote your item as well, and you give it a lot more visibility. People will come and, you know, will click on your eBay listing just out of the curiosity to see, you know, what your item is, and you will definitely bring some traffic to it. That's how you actually bring more sales to your YouTube account, to your eBay account, sorry. So simply like that, copy item name, copy link to your eBay listing, click on post, and in this group you are allowed to post this sort of content, because it's quite obvious, you know, when you check the posts, you know. 9 minutes 23 seconds in this video, guys. We're carrying on. This video is about how you promote your eBay items after you list them. So I think it needs to be approved. It's awaiting approval. Yes. But it should get accepted though, because that's what this group is all about. It's easy to see that you're posting your eBay listing link. And that's fine, that's absolutely fine, because you know, this video, it's also explaining you how you bring traffic to your eBay listing, yes? That's how I'm going to name it. Looking now for the next one. I'm interested in 3 or 4 groups where I could promote my latest YouTube video upload. So different things, you know, virtual assistants. So this is thing where I can do it easily. People do feedback, eBay feedback. People doing different things regarding eBay, so I can do it easily. Expert eBay dropshipping, I need accountant on percentage base. So there's lots of contacts you can come up with, you know, do lots of different things regarding eBay. So easily eBay selling and buying services. This group can be used to promote my link, my latest YouTube video upload, easily. Copy. That's my latest YouTube video upload. And now I click on Facebook, obviously wait the same thing, the same process over and over. 11 minutes and 3 seconds in this video, soon be wrapping up, guys. In the top left corner you'll pick the, you know, from the drop down menu, share in a group. Paste the name of the group. You'll come up with the right one. Confirm the picture is also right. It's fine. Now copy whatever was copied in the previous one. Obviously that's not there anymore. So I'll have to do it again, but that's fine. It only takes 15 seconds. And there. And I'm always doing it like that. So I copy my link. And I copy my YouTube video description. Then right at the bottom, post to Facebook, 11 minutes 57 seconds. Boys and girls, soon be wrapping it up. I hope you have a nice day, you stay healthy and happy. And this is the right group, I'm sharing it. Post to Facebook. Click on post to Facebook. And my post will come into this group. So one more. Last group, I'll go into eBay sellers worldwide and I'll check this one out if I can post my YouTube video link there or not, you know, what the rules are, because it's better to check when I'm going to stick to it, you know. These 5 groups can bring me lots and lots of traffic. So this is looking to me promising. I can use it. Because I can see it's an active group, people are posting, it's all about eBay here. So I can easily use it. 13 minutes, 33 seconds, soon be wrapping up this video. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you'll come back. I hope you can subscribe to help me hit 1000 subscribers by year end. And you can do it too, 15-minute work blocks, guys. Believe in yourself, don't give up. 15-minute work blocks. I already told you, 1 hour and 30-minute work. It's 7:15 now here, so I'm going to do my morning exercises, stretching routine. That's just 9 minutes work. I'll manage easily within my 15-minute block. Listen to my audiobook at the same time. Share this in a group. Building content is not hard really. 15-minute work blocks. So I'm now passing the name of the group or confirm the picture to match. When you're pasting it, you'll have to match the picture so you know you're posting in the right group. And because I copy quite a lot, you know, different things, I'll have to go and do it again, but that's fine. It only takes 15 seconds. That's not even 15 minutes, is it? I like to post my YouTube video link too. It only takes 5-10 seconds, isn't it? So now post to Facebook again, and there's another group that my video, that's how my video is going to get visible. you